Hello everyone. During the global pandemic COVID-19, my granddaughter Masha found a system unit in the attic that had been used as a stand for a flower vase for a long time. We freed him from an unbearable burden and began to think about his future fate. The idea came to turn it into a home information resource. And suddenly it turned out that Anton had long ago replaced the CD on his laptop with a second hard drive, and we would not be able to write the image to a CD and install the server operating system. However, we didn't have a CD burner. The alternative to the CD was a USB stick, and this video is about creating an installation stick for the Debian operating system. Let's take this small and exciting journey. The first thing we will do is open our favorite browser and in its command line type the address mirror.yandex.ru. This site presents the main operating systems of the Linux and FreeBSD families. We need Debian. Why, do you ask? You will find the answer by reading the history of Debian. So, the page has loaded and we follow the link named Debian CD. Next, we follow the link named 10.7.0. This is the version of the operating system we need. On this page, the versions of the processor architecture are presented. We select the link named AMD 64, since we have a 64-bit processor from AMD. And one more click on the link named ISO CD. We have reached the page we need. On it we need the image of the operating system for network installation. Copy the download link to the system clipboard. Now comes the fun part. Open the terminal program designed to work with the command line. We go into super user mode. Now let's download the operating system image to our hard disk using the wget command, passing it the download address of the image, which we previously copied to the system buffer. While the image is loading, open the file named SHA-256-SUM for viewing. It stores the hash of the downloaded image. We will need it to confirm the authenticity and integrity of the downloaded image. The operating system image has been loaded onto the computer's hard drive. Let's see what has been saved to the hard drive using the ls command. Let's check our image using the SHA-256-SUM command. It will calculate the hash sum of our image and display its value on the computer screen, then we can compare it with the hash sum presented on the server. The hash sums matched. You can close the browser. In the command line, we type the lsblk command. It will display in the terminal a list of all block devices that are present in our system. It has 2 hard drives. Insert the flash drive and run the lsblk command again. As a result of running the lsblk command, the terminal displayed information about the flash drive named SDC. The flash drive has one partition named SDC1. Before we start copying the image to a USB flash drive, we need to unmount it, that is, run the command umount dev SDC1. After that, using the cp command, we can write our image to a USB flash drive. A very important note: when copying, you need to specify the address of the flash drive dev SDC, and not the address of the partition on it. Copy. This procedure will take a few minutes. Copying is complete. Let's call another system command sync, which is designed to update file systems. Exit Super User Mode and close the terminal window. Let's open the file manager. Our flash drive has changed. Let's see its content. Let's close the USB flash drive and file manager. Let's not forget to remove the USB flash drive itself. This was the end of our journey. We have created an installation USB stick with the Debian operating system. We will need it to install the Debian operating system and deploy our own network services on it. For example, JITSI Meet video conferencing systems and Nginx web servers, and others. But about this in another video. All the best.